YouTube, what's good, guys? Um, um, Welcome back once again. Yeah, guys, I wanna show you guys how did I made this 2:1 risk to reward ratio, guys, on gold, guys. We're trading gold here. How did we get this entry and our take profit, guys? Please make sure that you like and subscribe this video, guys. Remember, guys, this is not a financial advice video. It's just an educational video and an overview what the market has been doing for the past week or 2 weeks, guys. So, guys, today we're on the 17th of April, guys. Yeah. So we managed to close this trade. It hit our take profit, guys. When was this? La- Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Because yesterday I dropped a video on Btcusd. Yeah, and the gold was moving. Yeah, it was yesterday, guys. We were in a gold trade. I will try on the next video to share the profit on the screen so that you can see what was happening. So, guys, let's get into it. Let's get into it, guys. First, let me just remove everything. Let me just remove everything. Let's go. As you all know, guys, that I like to trade the market structure, guys. The market structure to me is key. The market structure. I just follow the market. I don't trade reversals. I just trade what the market is giving. I trade continuations. I trade breakouts. So, guys, as you all see that this is called on the 4 hour time frame. Let's first check this out. As you see, guys, gold here, it gave us what? A double bottom here on the 4 hour time frame. In fact, it's a triple bottom, guys. A triple bottom on the 4 hour time frame, it simply means a reversal, right? It simply means a reversal for us. What do we need to do? We look forward buying movements till where? Till it breaks this high. Once it breaks this high, we know exactly that we are on a bullish movement. That's why we were looking for buys. Looking for buys. Even now, I'm looking for buys in this market. My mind is I'm just focusing on buys. Gold till it shows me that it's reversing. So, guys, let me remove everything. So you see, guys, now that gold has broken this high, right? What I'm looking for buys on where? On points of values of point of interest. We call it POIs, point of interest. We are looking for buys on our point of interest. Since gold has broken this level, that's where I went to my 1 hour time frame. When I get to my 1 hour time frame, the only thing I was looking for is I was looking for what? For market structure. In fact, I was looking for gold to do this thing. Like this is a higher high, right? When gold was retracing, I was expecting it to come to this level here, then give us a buying movement. But you know that the market does what it wants, guys. So this is what happened when gold got to this level. This is a point of value. Remember that price went up, reacted on this level, and it went up, right? So when gold came and retraced to this level, right? I couldn't enter here because I need confirmations for me to enter a trade. I couldn't enter here and put my stop loss where? Put my stop loss here because gold can chow you, guys. Even if I put it here, I put the stop loss at this level. Let me say I put the stop loss at this level. At the end of the day, I don't know that gold won't retrace and come to this zone, right? So I waited for price to retrace here to test this level and break this this high. A break of this high to me, a break of this high to me, it showed that gold is what is going to move to the upper. This was a simple trade, guys. Very simple trade. Very simple, straightforward. I waited to price for gold to break what? This higher high, right? So it retraced back. It showed me a strong movement. After breaking this, I waited for the a 1 hour candlestick to close. It closed. It was 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it closed 1 o'clock in the morning. I was awake that time because it was 1 o'clock in the morning. I buys here, entered my buys here, then placed my stop loss here. Why did I place my stop loss at this level? It's because it was 1 o'clock in the morning and the spread was too big. The spread which was too big. Everyone knows that on those times the spread is too massive. I placed my stop loss here. Then I was targeting a ratio of 1:2 risk to reward ratio. 1:2. That's where it hit our take profit. Yes, yes, that's why the stop loss was here below this demand zone here. Yeah, it was here below this demand zone, and I was targeting. Yeah, yeah, it was like this, something like this. Yeah, if I remember very well, it was like this. So gold, we entered gold here, no drawdown. It went straight to our TP. If we are risking 1,000 USD, then you will get 2,000 USD. All right. Let's see now. What are we looking for? Same methodology, guys. Same methodology, same thing. This is the high now. This is the high. Gold is the most high gold has ever been. Is three. This is 3.357 for the first. Gold is creating history, guys. Gold has never been in this high. So now what I'm looking for now, if I can show you what I'm expecting on gold, I'm swinging this one. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. I want you guys to see the swing. I'm swinging this one. You see this trade, guys. I entered this trade. I entered this trade here. I'm still holding this buy on gold. I'm swinging this buy. I'm expecting gold to reach 3.4, 3.4 thousand, 3.4. I'm expecting gold to reach that level. When it reach that level, I'm closing this swing on gold. Let's go back to this one. So for my daily trade, what I'm expecting now on gold, I'm expecting gold, since now it's reacting in this level. It's reacting in this level. I'm going to use the same methodology that I used here to enter the buys on gold here. So now I'll wait for gold to break what? To break above this high here. When it breaks above this high, that's where I will be entering forward for buys, and I will also use the same ratio, guys. 1:2 or 1:3, depending on my risk appetite. You see. So now I'm expecting gold to reverse on this area and come up. Remember, guys, you don't trade what you think, you trade what you see. When gold come and close above this level, I will enter what? My buys. When it closes above this level, that's where I enter my buys and target maybe one is to two, 1:3. I will see 1:2, 1:3, but most of the time I go with 1:2. So guys, this is it, guys. Watch out on gold. Um, Let me go back to the BTC USD that I was holding yesterday. I'm still holding this BTC USD trade from yesterday. I dropped a video yesterday on BTC USD. Yes, so I dropped the video. BTCUSD was around this point. It was around this point. It was around this point when I dropped the video. Then it retraced back and we were back in drawdown. Like 50% of my positions, I moved them to break even. It took me out on break even, but some of the trade were still running, so it didn't hit my stop loss. We are still on this trade. We are back to what? To profit, as you see, guys. You know that the full target is at the top there. It's at the top. Since now gold has BTCSD has retested this price. Now I will move my last trade to break even. So even if it takes me out now, it just takes me out completely. I know that I'm not in the trade, but I'm still holding on BTC USD, guys. I'm still holding. These are trades from yesterday. Trades from yesterday. Yeah, guys. People who are trading trend lines now, they know that from this area, if it breaks that counter trend, if it breaks this counter trend now, the only thing that we can look for, if it breaks this counter trend now, if it breaks this counter trend now, we'll be confident on our trade. That's where I'll move the my stop loss to break even. Then we hold till the TP. If it will hit the TP, like I've said, we trade what we see. We don't predict the market. We trade what you see. Please, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Let's grow the channel. Thank you, guys.